Gavana wa kaunti Ilovi Johnson Sakaja Niwaweta kanani Uungamisye Wiani Maovisaa eli Muvia wa Ukolan'ya wa Koti Kaundini isu Kumanwa na Kilingiisi cha Kwitwa kwake kocha Mavuti nzawa Maovisi Muvia wa Unyaiikya wa Mwaki wa Stima Kenya Power Kyumwani Kivitu ute na Maovisaa eli Muvia wa isalu DCI Wiweta ni uende na kumeka ukunikilimbe wa Maovisaa 10 ma serikali ya kaunti ya Ilovi Kumanwa na Kilingiisi kii na file ya usikatani Kukonya Kilingiisi kii ikavika moko ni munene wa usikatani DPP muthiani wa Mwaki ono uyo vo Gavana Sakaja Niwaweta Uekeo kumana na mutia wa Kilingiisi kii beni mwaka nilivota witu wa kaunti ya Ilovi.
Mbewa Maovisa 10 ma serikali ya kaunti Ilovi ni maende kuiko kunekeli na Muvia wa isalu DCI Kumanwa na Kilingiisi cha Kwitwa wake kocha Mavuti ute wa Maovisi ma Kenya Power Kyumwani Kivitu muleno isalu DCI Mohamed Amin weta faili okunekelio kwatwa kunengana kwa DPP muthiano wa Mwaki.
We are hoping to interrogate by today Geoffrey Musiara, who is the Chief Officer Environment, John Malawi, the Director Environment, Tyrus Njoroge, the Chief Officer Revenue Administration, Charles Kerich, CEC Finance and Economic Planning, Maureen Njori, CSC Environment, and Nahashon Muguna, the CEO Nairobi Water and Sewerage. What time do we intend to conclude the investigations? Already, like I said, Honorable Chair, we had already submitted one link for the file to the ODPP. And for the remainders, we hope that by the end of this week, we will have forwarded the file to the Director of Public Prosecutions.
We are on that trajectory of very serious investigations because serious crimes have actually been committed to Nairobi people and by extension to the people of Kenya, including serious damage to our image as a country and as a people. So that is the reason why I want to urge the DCI to continue and move with speed and to get everybody involved in that, so that at the end of the day they can have their day in the court.
Nindini wa kikalo chanza mai ya mbunge osese wa ndini vala gavana wa kaunti Ilovi Johnson Sakaja wa vidwa Maovisa elianene kitengoni cha Ukolan'ya wa Koti duna Uungamisye kuma Wiani nogana kuterese ndino okunekeli aiweta kiki na Kiko cha uvaluku wa dhukumi kwa Maovisa na kinava kienda kambingi serikali ya kaunti.
It was something not sanctioned, Chairman. It is something that the government does not do. You know, it was completely off. The dumping of garbage was very primitive. And you know, I lead a big institution. I have almost 20,000 staff. But the ultimate responsibility, the buck stops with me as a governor. And so on behalf of the staff, I apologize to the people of Kenya, to the people of Nairobi, to the residents and tenants and business people there. That should never have happened, and it will never happen under my watch. I will not allow that to happen again. That is not what you do in the 21st century in the capital city of Kenya. We have so far interdicted officers. The documents are here within your package. I've interdicted 2 officers from the revenue department. And so rest assured that it doesn't end there. We'll get to the complete, you know, not just the root cause, but the solution. And people will pay for it, you know, for the actions that they took.
Amemba manza maine mamwekea Gavana Sakaja kithimini maimwenda kuikirisia nthi Kiko kika kitika ingi vala Maweta kinaetie muisyo munene ki uimwamwi na ngusanisyo ii ethwa nisi kuendea nisi kuete muisyo munene ona ki muo no sese wa NND.
And the IG agree, and all of us, that the act on its own was criminal, was illegal, barbaric, primitive, and it was unfortunate it occurred.
Before this particular incident, how much discussion have you carried out with KPLC so that such an unprecedented action should never have taken place.
It has been reported before. Instances where KPLC is even switching off stops. And you can imagine if that were to happen where, for instance, we had newborn babies in incubators. It's instant death. So what could have provoked this action?
Do you think they are the ones who took powers into their hand and committed this offense? Because personally, I believe there must be an order from above. The buck stops with the top leadership of the county.
I think your question is clear. You say I'm the one who should answer for it. That is what you're saying. You know, in other words, I have answered for it. I have personally apologized on behalf of the people. If there's an investigation into who directed that an operation be done to get our revenue, I'm guilty as charged. It's my responsibility constitutionally to make sure that the financial standing of the city is good, to make sure that those who owe us pay. But if the question is who ordered dumping, that is the work that the DCI is doing. That is the crime. The crime is the dumping. But now, you know, tomorrow we'll say if my officers clamp a car that is parked on the pavement, they should not. We should also be careful not to make the counties not be able to operate.
Indo nuyo vo Governor Sakaja nwalumilelia vena vata Muvia wa Kenya Power uthukume kwa kuatia miao na kumba oteri sili ya kuvingi sa uthukumi wa serikali sia mitiukom.
So I hope, and I'm very happy today, I'm really surrounded by the powers in security, that the law applies to all of us. You cannot enforce only on a county government, but ignore national government. I am so sure there are national entities that owe hundreds of millions of bills to Kenya Power. They'll never be switched off. But counties are a soft target to be bullied. Counties are a soft target to be cut off because no one will speak for counties. You know, let us be equitable. When they do something wrong on IG, also deal with them in the same manner, because there's no law for national entities and a different law for county entities. We're also governments. And that is what the beauty of our constitution was, to create devolution. You know, we're one state, but there are 48 governments. There's a national government and 47 county governments.
Vilingwa maovo kumavamia koni ya mbunge Ilovi nyenito Benjamin Mwakam.